Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create some recurring tasks in Notion in 2024. Of course, creating recurrent tasks in Notion can help you manage repetitive tasks effectively. And also, recurring tasks are essential for managing like some repetitive action and ensuring even nothing falls like through the cracks. So with Notion, a versatile feature is you can set up recurring tasks and stay organized and productive. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to start by going open Notion. If you have it as an app, if you have it on the web, for me, I'll open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use it whatever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just type notion.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, like you'll be taken to this page instead of this. So you'll be taken here, click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, instead click on Get Notion for free to create an account. And you can use Google or Apple if you have one of those accounts, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. It will be very fast and you don't have to fill up all those informations. So once you are here in the home screen, you can start by create a new page, example, or choose one of the template that they have for your recurring tasks. Example, I'll just go here to template, and I'll just go here and look for something like tasks. Sorry, not tax. So tasks, as an example. Okay, it seems like a good template. So I'll just go and click on Get Templates to use it. So here for the title, of course, I'm just going to name it like recurring tasks. I don't know why I keep saying like tax. So recurring tasks. And as you can see here, so I'll just add the task or tasks as an example. And as you can see, here we are. So we can simply just go and start adding some new tasks, to it. It's actually funny. So as I said, you can start adding like your new tasks to it however you want. Of course, before you can simply start inserting like a table block for your tasks as an example. So you can just click your new, as example, you can insert that table, or you can, as an example here, task as it seems like this is already a table, but of course you can go and create a new one to it and simply just you can embed something it seems like from Google Drive and things. Yeah, it's actually very good. Or even if it's possible from like Google Docs or something like that, it will be even better. And as I said here, you can go to table. If it's not created, of course, you can go and create like a table for yourself. And if it's not already created, for me, it's already like created. I'll just go and delete that. As you can see, it's named task, so does not matter. Here, of course, you can start creating the tasks that you want, as example, and you can basically just start creating like design first of all the task table. You can first of all give it like some information. So first of all, here I'll just go to this task and click on open as example. And here about this task example, you can simply list the tasks that you have for that specific day. And of course, you can make like a priority for it, like it's high priority, the assignee for it. As example, the states, of course, the title, we still didn't give it any title. So example, maybe as example, uploading something. So uploading, I'll just type uploading a video. Why not? So here as an example, we have, okay, we created like, I created two, I should have just created one. Which one I have the tasks on it? And not this one. Yeah, it should be this one. So as you can see here, I created like a new task in this table here. I have it like the assignee to its status example is not started. So just go and do it in progress here. Do as an example, you can the do this example, this one. And the dates as example, yeah, why not? And yeah, it should be good. As example, it should end in this day. So make sure to do it before. And yeah, of course, you can start adding multiple things, start designing. You can add, for example, the task name, frequency, like example, how often the task should recur, like daily, weekly, monthly, etc. And the status, like track the completion status of the each task, and simply notes if you want to add some additional instructions, some details for the task. And of course, you can start adding your recurrent tasks. You can start adding your recurrent tasks to the table. Click as example on a new column example to add a new task if you want to, and you can start giving it a name, giving it the frequency, and etc. And set up basically your recurring task to indicate that task is recurring. You can use frequently column to specify like how often the task should repeat. You can, like example, upload a video. Maybe I want it to be uploaded daily. Like example, I'll just record. Someone like here should record a video. The other one should upload it daily. So one record daily, the other one will upload daily. So this is something, yes, you can add it here as a recurrent task. And of course, you can start like using the views. So using the views and filters, so you can organize and manage your recurring task effectively. And you can click, as example, on this. So on the search button, example, to search for something specific, or simply just go and click on this filter here. So you'll be able to view it, and you can set up some filters, example, so it can help you manage those tasks or recurring tasks effectively. So you can add some filters like, as example, board, maybe list, maybe gallery, to visualize your task differently. You can even create some filters to focus on specific tasks or status, such as tasks due today or overdue as example tasks, and etc. And of course, you can regularly update your recurring tasks table to track the progress and mark tasks as completed. So you can use the Notion checkbox or status options and the status column to indicate like the task completions. Review your recurring task regularly to ensure they are up to date, and adjust the frequencies or details as needed. And of course, once you did that, you can enhance your recurring tasks setup with reminders and notifications. You can set up some reminders and specify for like some specified tasks that maybe you're doing it each day or something like that. You'll be able to set up some reminders for that. And yeah, other than that, you'll be able to start sharing it with people. As example, if it's your team, etc., you'll be able even to publish it on a web. So click on publish, and you can see it will be published on this URL. You can click on view site, and people will be able to see it here. And if they click on, if they go to this URL, as you can see, this is the link. You can share it with others. So link expiration, never. If you want to change it, of course, you'll need a better plan. You can allow editing for others. You can allow commenting for others if you want to. You can allow duplicates as templates, or even the search engine index. Of course, if you want to publish it, you can publish it whenever you want, and that should be it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.